Well, if you're having some trouble with your air conditioner and condensation line dripping where it's not supposed to be dripping, or perhaps even putting a little stain on the ceiling, I have a tip that I did not find when I was searching some of the other YouTube videos, and it's got a really quick and easy tip. It's probably the first thing you should try before you do anything more significant, like actually going up inside the attic. This, of course, is if you have a two-story, perhaps even if you have a one-story, but it's definitely worth taking a look at. So follow me. I'm in a two-story house and my air conditioner is up in there. Oops, left the light on. Anyway, so after watching all the videos and seeing what I could do to help fix this myself, I didn't see exactly something that was going to work for me. And in the meantime, I remembered that some of these air conditioners drain down into here. So as you see, this is the actual AC condensing drain line, and it goes into the P-trap. So I took this all apart, cleaned it out, and as I was taking it apart, water started rushing and gushing down through there. So be really careful. All you have to do is, what happened for me is I just moved this a little bit and it just drained all the way out. Went ahead and took this apart, cleaned it out, reassembled it, and my problems were solved.